First tip is keep Windows updated. You have to make sure that you have genuine copy of Windows, and to check it, just go to Start menu and type about your PC and press enter. A new window will open. Scroll down a little until you see product key and activation. Click on it, click on the arrow, and if your Windows is activated, you can see a message. Windows is activated with your digital essence linked to your account. Next, hover your cursor to Windows Update and click on it, and make sure that your Windows is up to date, because according to Microsoft support, when you check for updates, your PC will also search for latest device drivers, which can also help improve your PC's performance. Second tip is uninstall third-party antivirus. When you buy a new Windows PC, third-party antivirus softwares are pre-installed, and believe me, they are totally useless because they come with the trial version, and after a few days or weeks, they force you to buy the full version. They also keep on running in the background and consume your RAM and CPU by giving annoying pop-up messages that your PC is at risk. Buy the full version to protect your PC. This is a scam, and first thing you want to do is uninstall them. To do this, just press the Windows key and type add or remove programs. Press enter and you can see a list of apps installed on your PC. Just search for the antivirus and click on the three dots and select uninstall. Now you must be wondering that when I uninstall the antivirus, my PC is vulnerable to threats and virus. Thanks to Microsoft, Windows come with the free antivirus with the name Windows Security. And believe me, if you have this on your PC, you don't need any third-party antivirus. If you want to see security at a glance, just press the start button and type security. A new window will appear, and make sure that no action is needed in Windows Security. If you want to double check that your PC is free from threats, just click on the virus and threat protection and do a quick scan. If your PC is protected, a message will appear that no action is needed for your PC. Third tip is disk cleanup. Disk cleanup helps you free up space on your hard disk, creating improved system performance. Disk cleanup searches your disk and then shows your temporary files, internet cache files, and unnecessary files that you can safely delete. Disk cleanup is developed by Microsoft for its Windows operating system. To access this, just press Start menu and type disk cleanup. A small window will appear, and select the driver you want to clean up. I'll select C and press OK. Within few seconds, the disk cleanup will show me all the files that I can safely delete. You can select other drives for the disk cleanup. If you are still with me, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. The fourth and the final tip is disable startup apps. This tip is a game changer. Whenever you turn your PC by default, most of the apps start itself and consume your memory and CPU. To disable the startup apps, right click on the taskbar and click Task Manager. On the left side, you can see different options. Just click on Startup Apps and disable the apps you don't need whenever you turn on your PC. For example, I want to disable Microsoft Teams. I'll just right click on the app icon and choose Disable. After following all these tips, if your PC is still slow, you need to upgrade your PC in terms of RAM and processor. Thank you.